All right, let's chat about the illuminating oil. This stuff is liquid gold. It is a magical bottle that nourishes, hydrates, and protects the skin and gives us a dewy, more radiant glow. It has 15 healthy oils plus Nordic superfoods like bilberry, red algae, black oat, Arctic, cloudberry. Your skin will literally drink it in. This illuminating oil contains plant-derived vitamins and antioxidants and key Nordic superfood ingredients that nourish, restore your inner glow. It nourishes your skin and restores your inner glow. I love the bright and dewy, fresh finish of this product. It smells amazing. It is USDA certified. It has 100% bio-based content from plants and other renewable sources, and 100% pure plant-derived natural oils. It has been dermatologist-tested for allergy and irritancy and formulated without parabens, formaldehyde, gluten, phthalates, synthetic dyes, and fragrances. This potent blend nourishes, it protects, and promotes that healthy glow because it contains powerful antioxidants and provides intense hydration to nourish your skin and restore youthful appearance. It helps to achieve a dewy glow with a non-greasy formula by restoring suppleness to the skin, and it's lightweight and absorbs very quickly. Like all of our Norwex skincare, it is vegan and never tested on animals. It can be purchased on its own, or you can save money by getting it in the complete skincare set, and then you get this free plush body cloth. And you will love it. So I recommend going on our auto ship and save, and then you will never run out and you will get it at 10% off. So let's use it. Gently massage 3 to 5 drops on a cleansed face and neck, both morning and night. So I'm just going to put 2 drops, and you also can apply this after your hydrating moisturizer, and you can blend them together. So that is up to you, but this absolutely soaks into your skin instantly. And some fun hacks: you can rub it into your cuticles as well as the ends of your hair. So let's talk about the ingredients. We have bilberry, red algae, black oat, which are Nordic antioxidant-rich ingredients known to help fight daily stressors. Apricot, sunflower, coconut, and avocado oils. These are natural oils that are to provide lightweight, nourishing moisturization. Evening primrose oil, which is an ultra moisturizing oil that helps keep your skin supple and works to enhance elasticity in your skin. The Arctic cloudberry, Norwegian superfruit that thrives in harsh conditions, contains antioxidants that help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This is basically food for your skin, and prepare to fall in love with it.